guys?
Hey, what's up, man?
Pretty good.
We're doing the 5 wood here.
$5.
$5?
Yep.
You sure?
Yeah, buddy.
That's a good one.
Yep. I used to have that whole set at one time with the driver.
All right, I'll do $5 on that.
I got a Charlotte Hornet.
Hey, was calling already.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. He is Ace Novelty.
I would get that. Here's 5 for that club.
Okay, appreciate it.
You got a Pokemon.
What kind of Pokemon?
Right there.
Oh, Build-A-Bear.
Yeah, Build-A-Bear.
Pikachu. How about a horse?
Horsey, not so much. Not so much on the horsey. What do you want for the Pikachu?
What'd you give me?
About $4.
How about $4 will work?
There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Appreciate it. Y'all have a good morning.
Come on, bud.
Pop them in there.
I don't know. It was like it turned off. I don't know. But we just got these 4 hats. This is a Cavs hat, West Virginia Fiesta Bowl 1989, the Sitgo hat, and this really cool old Jack Daniels hat that is made in USA, new era, made in USA, so it's large. That's really cool.
for all 4.
$12. Can't beat it. Is that Lego sealed?
No, it's open.
It's open.
I don't know if it's 100% complete, but like it's partially built.
Yeah.
It's got about 4 or 5 sealed bags with all the minifigures in there.
Okay.
With the instruction manual. You want to take a look at it?
Yeah. Even if it's not complete, we like Legos.
I like it.
Yeah, I couldn't guarantee, but as far as I can tell, I mean, it's probably mostly complete.
Yeah.
It looks like they left off. They got to like step 8 and they left off.
Yeah. What do you want for it?
I was asking 50 on it. How about 40 bucks?
What do you think?
I would really like to play with it.
Okay. I'll do 40 then.
Okay.
There you go. Thanks, man.
Thank you.
You're gonna have a lot of work to do today.
No, I'm excited.
Boss man just came and bought the whole table, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Dang. Okay.
Sorry.
What did he pay for everything?
Well, I'd already sold about 100 and something, and he gave me $250 for the rest of the stuff.
Dang.
I'm ready to go.
I don't blame you.
Yeah.
That's every $250 for everything?
Yep.
That's
I
wild.
was doing t-shirts for just $2.
Yeah.
So that's all good, you know.
Yeah.
This is all kind of overflow anyway, so.
Did you buy the tiger blanket or is that yours?
Nah, that's mine. I gotta take that back to the house.
Okay.
My girl would kill me.
I understand. Well, that was a good deal. We missed out today.
I'll be back out here.
Thanks.
Back out
You
here.
got more stuff like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got tons of this, man.
I'll give you my number because we buy in bulk all the time. If you want my cell number,
Yeah.
that way you don't have to come out here in the cold. We can just meet in the middle of the day. Thanks, man. Feeling on my toes.
Just a little bit. I told you weightlifting shoes are worth it. They're very expensive new.
Pre-owned $250.
How much do you want for these?
I've been asked for 60. How about 40?
We'll do 40 on these.
Okay. You need a bag?
No. Thank you. Oh my god.
Wow. How heavy is it? Is it heavy?
I don't know. No, not that bad.
I'll take it.
How much for your statue guy?
Come over here, lady.
Oh my God. I just noticed that thing.
It's okay. How much for this?
20.
20?
That's so unusual.
It is.
So unique.
I'll give you $20.
Honestly, a friend of mine said that. And my grandpa
Was not interested.
he was not feeling it.
Huh. Well, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it for $20.
Okay.
Thank you, man. Yeah, we'll take it in the wagon. I don't know what it's made of. Like, it's kind of heavy, but I don't know. It probably weighs like maybe 15 pounds or so. He's chopping Pikachu.
He is. That's
Sick.
funny.
So once we got home, we flipped it over and found this Pier 1 sticker on the bottom for 125 bucks. So it's probably worth like maybe 60 or 70.
Thank you, ma'am.
All these are really good.
Yeah, all this stuff too is all Jordan and stuff.
Yeah. Oh, these South Carolina things. That's cool.
Hay mangas largas aquí,
That's cool. People like those little helmets. All right, so we'll do the helmet. These 2 Minecraft things. And the guitar.
Guitar. Okay, just to let you know, I haven't tested the guitar, so I can't guarantee that it works.
Oh, it's missing a little dongle thing too. That's fine. Just price it accordingly. Because I do need to get a dongle for it. There's supposed to be, it's like clicks into that and it turns into USB to plug into the Xbox.
40 for all that?
Oh, yeah, I was gonna say she should be charged about 60.
But throw this in for 40.
I'll do that.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it. I lost Haley back here. She stopped to look at this table. Maybe she sees something I didn't. What you got over here?
Got a lot of bags.
I got a lot of stuff.
Star Wars
Star Wars.
t-shirts.
Patagonia hats over here though.
Oh yeah.
Got some sweat stains in them though. How much were your hats here?
$5 a piece.
Okay.
I think it's a Dodgers and a Giants.
Yeah. Dodgers and Giants, 5 a piece on those. I think these Patagonias might clean up.
Horrible, honey.
You got 5 on these too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What are you going for this hunting vest?
I was asking 25. The other stuff is in there. It's a turkey. I think it's a turkey vest.
Yeah. Do 20 on this?
Yeah, it's fine.
4 hats in this, that's 40 bucks. So I'll go ahead and pay you for those. We'll make some room on the table at least.
And then, like I said, it's back here.
Yeah. What are you going for this Vera Bradley?
That's got the wallet in it too.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what? I'll do 5.
Okay.
Just do 5 on that.
This is from Stitch Fix. It's usually pretty good quality. I do want to get this Kavu lunch bag.
Yeah.
It's cool. Good thing you stopped at this table, huh?
Yeah. My instincts kicked in, Josh.
I thought I smelled something. I got this bag and the keychain and the scarf.
Okay. Barbie. What do you want on your face, babe?
10.
10. Okay.
That one's 10 also.
Okay. Have the little Mickey.
What did I say? 3.
You here next weekend? All right.
$47.
I'll make it 50. How about that?
Sounds good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm very excited about this. When I was little, my parents thought I was going to be an engineer because I just like building things a lot. So, let's see how this goes. Okay, so I finished one of the bags. It's bag number 8. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags that are unopened. And honestly, this is taking me kind of a long time. So I think I'm gonna stop and we'll sell it as is. I've been looking at it and I was missing a piece earlier, but it was in like a plastic bag. So it looks like they like kept all the pieces that kind of like fell apart or somehow. But it seems like everything's in there. Like we have all of the minifigs, we have these 3 guys, and the other 3 I think are still in the other bags. So I think that's gonna do it for me. Like I feel like if I keep going, I'm gonna lose a lot of value. And so this way somebody can get a partially done figure and then be able to do the rest.
Mose, do you want to show everybody the upstairs that we finally finished so you could have some carpet to run around on? Let's go. Go show them. Look at there. We did fix the bottom step, and a lot of you guys were saying we should have fixed that, so we did. Mose, what do you think about the step? Oh, that's good. Okay. Yeah. Go show them. Look at there. We got all the carpet. We got everything done. Oh yeah, it's sneezy up here. We still need to put some ceiling fans up there in those spots, and we still need to get our mini split AC unit over there. But other than that, it's done. You're so you go run that way. Okay, that's good. So a pretty solid haul at the flea market for a quick Saturday morning trip. I think we spent a total of like $225 on everything in today's video, and it's probably worth a total of around $1,000 or so, depending on a couple of different factors. These shoes we got, the Nike weightlifting shoes, are really good. Those should sell for about $200, I think. That was a really good shoe find. And then all those purses that Haley found at the last booth of the day were really good as well. After fees, shipping, cost of goods, everything like that, we'll probably look at a total profit of around $500 once it's all said and done. And it'll probably take us between 45 and 60 days to get everything sold, whether on a Whatnot auction or over on our eBay store. Thank you guys so much for watching. You're the best, and we will catch you on the next one.